The early 1950s were a golden era for American cars, and one vehicle that perfectly represents this time is the 1952 Chevrolet Deluxe. This car was not just transportation, it was a symbol of reliability, style, and everyday American life. Today, we are taking a closer look at this beautiful classic that still turns heads decades later. If you love vintage American cars, make sure to watch this video till the end. The 1952 Chevrolet Deluxe was introduced at a time when America was recovering from World War II. People wanted cars that were strong, comfortable, and affordable, and Chevrolet delivered exactly that. This model helped Chevrolet become one of the most trusted car brands in the United States. Let's start with the exterior design. The front of the 1952 Chevrolet Deluxe looks bold and confident. It features a wide chrome grille, round headlights, and a solid steel body. The design is simple, but that simplicity gives the car a timeless charm. On the road, this car had a strong presence, and even today, it looks elegant and classic. From the side, the long and smooth body lines show the classic American sedan shape. The doors are large, the roofline is clean, and the overall height makes it comfortable for families. At the back, the chrome bumper and simple tail lights complete the classic 1950s look. Now let's talk about the engine and performance. The 1952 Chevrolet Deluxe usually came with a 216 cubic inch inline-six engine, famously known as the Stovebolt engine. This engine produced around 92 horsepower. By today's standards, that may seem low, but at that time, it was known for being reliable, smooth, and long-lasting. This car was not built for racing. It was built for calm, comfortable driving. On highways, it cruised smoothly, and in city driving, it felt stable and easy to control. Most models were equipped with a 3-speed manual transmission, while some versions offered the Powerglide automatic transmission, which was considered advanced technology in the early 1950s. Now let's move inside the car. The interior of the 1952 Chevrolet Deluxe was spacious and welcoming. It had soft fabric seats, a wide bench layout, and plenty of legroom. Families loved this car because it could comfortably seat 4 to 5 people. The dashboard was simple but practical, with large analog gauges that were easy to read. Features like the radio and heater were considered luxury options at the time, making long drives more enjoyable. The steering wheel was large, which was common for cars of that era, and it gave the driver a relaxed and smooth driving feel. In terms of safety, modern features like airbags did not exist, but for its time, the Chevrolet Deluxe was solidly built. Its steel body construction and dependable braking system made it a trusted choice for daily driving. Now let's talk about popularity. The 1952 Chevrolet Deluxe was one of the best-selling cars in America. It was used by families, taxi services, and even police departments. Its affordable price and strong performance made it a favorite across different social classes. Today, this car is a valuable classic. You can find it at car shows, classic car auctions, and private collections across the United States. A well-maintained or fully restored model can be worth thousands of dollars, especially if it has original parts. Classic car enthusiasts love the 1952 Chevrolet Deluxe because it represents a simple and honest era of car manufacturing. Parts are still available, and restoration is relatively easier compared to many other vintage cars. In conclusion, the 1952 Chevrolet Deluxe is more than just an old car. It is a piece of American automotive history. It represents durability, elegance, and the spirit of the 1950s. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel. Let us know in the comments which classic car you want to see next. See you in the next video with another legendary classic car.